Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check your iPhone iOS and your Audi MMI software. This matters because mismatches block CarPlay. Once done, choose wired or wireless. Wired uses a direct USB and is more stable. Plug the cable into the Audi USB port or start Bluetooth pairing. Make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. When your phone shows the CarPlay prompt, tap Allow and unlock the phone. This authorizes the connection and prevents unexpected blocks. Next, navigate the Audi MMI menus. Go to Telephone or Smartphone settings, then to Smartphone interface or Apple CarPlay. You'll see your iPhone listed, select it, and explicitly choose the CarPlay or Apple option. This tells the MMI to load the CarPlay interface rather than standard Bluetooth. If using wireless CarPlay, enable the Audi Wireless CarPlay toggle and follow on-screen pairing. If wired, ensure you've selected the USB input mapped to CarPlay. Make sure both devices complete pairing notifications. To finish, switch the MMI source to CarPlay. You should see the CarPlay home screen, test maps, phone, and music to confirm controls and mic audio. If nothing appears, restart both the iPhone and the MMI. Simple reboots fix most glitches. Once done, try a different Apple-certified cable for wired connections or unpair and repair for wireless setups. If problems persist, reset iPhone network settings. This clears Bluetooth and Wi-Fi conflicts and often restores a clean CarPlay connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.